We begin with this breaking development on the fires in Hawaii. The death toll now at 80, and that number, we're told, is expected to rise. This is now the deadliest natural disaster in Hawaii's history.
We're also getting a look at new cell phone video of the frightening moments one family faced.
Well, the family made it to the coast. They were one of the many forced to take refuge on the rocky shoreline, some even jumping into the ocean to escape the fire. Eyewitness News reporter Josh Haskell joining us live on the island of Maui this morning. Josh, good to hear from you. You arrived there late Thursday night. Walk us through what the past couple of days have been like for you and your crew.
Well, we have all seen people sleep in the airport before. Many of us, including myself, have slept in an airport before. But when I got off that plane and I saw hundreds of people, many of them spending their second night inside Maui's airport, and speaking to them, I heard the same thing. This has been a hard situation. We're stressed. We want to get home, but it doesn't compare to what the people of Maui are going through. And then yesterday, when I was able to meet many residents of Lahaina who have lost absolutely everything, hearing their stories, I hate to say this, but it's not surprising that the death toll continues to go up and will sadly continue to go up when you hear the stories of survival, how these people were able to escape the flames. I know we report a lot on fires and evacuation orders. That did not happen. I can't even say that these residents of Lahaina evacuated. They had nowhere else to go but jump into the ocean. I don't think seeking shelter in the ocean is really a proper way. It wasn't designed to an evacuation route, but that's what people were forced to do. We met one woman, Mark and Irene, a 62-year-old who spent 6 hours in that ocean. So to go back to our journey a little bit, spoke with some folks, mainly tourists from the United States, at the airport, and then we were able to yesterday morning, Friday morning, head to a shelter that we had heard about. I actually have a friend who lives in Los Angeles, but she's from Maui, and I asked where the need was and where her friends and family were, and she sent me to this War Memorial Stadium in Kailuku, and we went there. Wailuku. You know how the names in some of these Hawaiian towns. I'm still trying to accurately pronounce all of them, but we went to this town. It's about 12 miles from Lahaina, and it is where people are being sheltered. And there were over 300 people there. Many of them had lost their homes. We were inside that shelter. They were getting medical care, food, water, and that's where we heard a lot of these stories, Mark and Irene, and it was heartbreaking. And then, you know, the juxtaposition is the amount of aid and support that was coming through. So that's where we reported yesterday, and right now we're in Wailea.